Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm doing good, and this is my first time creating a YouTube channel, and I would like to tell you guys about the channel and talk a little bit about me. I'm 26 years old. My name is Jose Shirimim. I'm an electrical engineer student. Um, I decided to create the channel because I have a passion for visual art. I have a passion for photography, videography. I have a passion for 3D modeling and sketching. Pretty much everything related to creation or to art. But unfortunately, I didn't have enough money to go and pay for classes that involve art or to major your minor in art. For that reason, I decided to do some research and pick some skills here and there, and here I am. I think I have found enough foundation to start art, but I do not have enough skill to call myself a professional or anything like that. So for that reason, I decided to create the YouTube channel so that you guys can help me grow and improve my skills through comments and feedbacks, through email and things like that. Since I'll be sharing with you guys and posting at least once a week some contents about art, that way I can learn while I'm doing the videos. Where I make mistake, I can actually see it, and at the same time I can help you guys while you guys helping me out. So that's the main reason I decided to create this YouTube channel. The YouTube channel will contain the following content. I will create a project for CorelDRAW, Adobe Premiere, Adobe After Effects, Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and some Corel Painter, not that much. And I'll also try to put some videos for 3D modeling with software such as ZBrush and Maya. That'll be pretty much everything I'll be doing on the channel. Sometimes I'll be showing you guys how I make my videos, and that way you guys can catch up on how to edit videos and color grading and things like that. With that said, that's pretty much about the channel, and that's pretty much about me. Yeah, that's about it. Don't forget to help me out by commenting on the videos and giving me feedback. Sometimes you can tell me that techniques I'm using is out of date and I can update to new techniques, so using brushes and stuff like that. You guys can help me out, because the main idea here is to grow my skills, at the same time be able to help you guys with some content, because sometimes it's good to interact with those that are beginning, because we can see exactly where they're starting and they can give us an idea where we can also start. So most of the time that I was developing my skills, I was developing through YouTube and some research that I have done, and I learned better from beginners, because I know exactly where they're doing and what struggles the beginning people face. And then is when I move to someone more professional. That way I can see the difference, and I can see where I need to improve. Anyway, this is the introduction for this channel. I hope you guys like my content, and that's about it. Without any further ado, I see you guys on the next video, and let's start our project. My first project will be on CorelDRAW, so stay tuned to learn some CorelDRAW techniques and some cool features about CorelDRAW. I see you in the next video. One love.